Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. Today I want to invite you all know how to order hiking mood. Okay, the way first, you have to uh, have application hiking mode. For example, ticket hiking. Uh, you have you have to download in Play Store or App Store maybe. Okay, if you have download application, you can open in application. You choose in here. So if you have choose it in here, you choose you want to mount. Do you want to mount? Where do you want to mount? You choose in here maybe. So you choose enter licensing post. Maybe try test. You choose in here. So you must choose enter that. For example, in here, don't get broke. Barter. You choose. Okay. You choose enter that in here. Maybe 3 that. So you choose exit that. Maybe in for that. If you want to pay in here, you must choose how many people. If you want to go to hike, maybe for example 2 people. In here, I one person, just one person. So you click in here, and then you have to read the rules, all rules. If you understand, you want to in here. So the next, you must fill in yours. So from email, from name, so number, identitas, so number phone. You must you must choose WNI or WNA in here. So jenis woman or ladies. You upload the ID card. For example, in here. The next. Here. So and the next, you choose the leader. Maybe in here 1 person. So you choose method pay and payment. You make to payment. Right. And then the payment you can pay in this post, listening post. So I feel enough in here. If I mistake, I do apologize. No. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.